rush that. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always made it tight to rush things. You just always made it tight to can't wait. You just always made it tight to can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down. I know that you like it. Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on. Strange time, it's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey, you called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation It felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we'll wait to evolve now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby just go ghost. Ooh. Now baby just go ghost. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, too close. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here, out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby just go ghost.
Yeah, so today's I think it's typhoon number 3. Signs yesterday 1 and now become 3. Weather is not good from last night. I don't know how long to be like this. It's nice to stay in. Anyway, it's today is just Monday, so we just start working. We just take off yesterday. The road also very slippery. This is the hospital, like for older people. Government hospital. This all is like a government hospital. This also. This is like nearly near in Cyberport. It's in Pakkulam area near the Victoria Road. Here very nice there seaside. And this is a big ground, people playing football, tennis, everything they're half playing so big. See how big? And then the other side also half, still there the half ground. This is a Kennedy School. Here, so this is the another side. It's now almost reaching near the reaching in Cyberport. Wow, the bus is driving so slow. Okay, good. He's going left and I'm going right. So see, this is the seaside in Cyberport, and you see in the straight, this is the Lama Island. It's very near from the Cyberport, but if you take the from Central, the ferry is quite far. See this nice view. This is the building of Cyberport, the resident. So now I am going to soon entering in the car park. So I will be end of my video. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.